Wait a minute. Extremely brightened. Ouch, and I poked my eye. Blue mascara. You can also. Oh my god, I broke it. Hawkins People Tones. What? So I recently went to the Sephora event and I received a lot of luxury high-end makeup, and with that I also received some of it in PR. So I was like, you know what, let's try it out. So we have Kylie Cosmetics, Kiro, Rare Beauty, we have Simply Nam, Diego mascara. Everything looks exciting. Let's go. First up, we have the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is a newer one. This has like a gel-based consistency. मुझे याद है when I tried the actual like Power Grip, the one which they duped Milk for, it did not suit me. I am telling you guys, it was so bad for my skin. I cannot even tell you. So I have high expectations with this one. Definitely sticky लग रहा है, बहुत sticky लग रहा है. I mean, I won't say it's extremely sticky like the other one. It is mattifying my face nicely, which is a good thing, and it is feeling a little bit tacky, which is great. I want to do this thing. It's not sticking. It's not as sticky as the Power Grip one, but you know what? I like it. It's not that bad. Okay, next up, a foundation. I don't really have a foundation, so I'm just gonna go with this Smashbox Halo filter, which I am using. This is a multi-usage brush from Sephora. You can see this is the number 6 brush, and oh my god, like you can use this for everything is basically what they've said. You know what, let's try to do my contour and blush with and foundation with this one. I'm just gonna take this on a buffing brush and just blend out my foundation. By the way, this, it is so soft. मतलब ये brush को use करोगे, you will realize the insanely good quality that this brush is. You can see it has blended in pretty well. Like it like took like 2 seconds to blend in really well. Again, love the bristles. They are very soft. I think in like 1-2 minutes my entire base was done flawlessly. So this is the brush which I've been using quite a lot recently, and I felt really like wow, the difference a good makeup brush can make also plays a really important role on how good your base makeup is looking. Looks pretty good. My base is also looking good. The primer has not settled in or like is not like separating my base, which is nice, although my face looks extremely dewy, which is still fine. Like, come on you guys. Next up, we have the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now I did not receive this in PR. You do not get this in India. I bought this in Dubai and I just wanted to share it with you guys. I got a mini because you guys know how many concealers I do have, so I don't want to unnecessarily hoard too much stuff, but just look at it. It is very similar to the Too Faced one which I have blended in. By the way, the shade जो भी मैंने लिया है वो मेरा exact shade है with a little bit of warm tone in it, because then it color corrects my under eyes, and you will see it blended in like 2 seconds. And look at the difference. It does a really good job. I'm gonna blend it here, and I use a concealer brush. Usually I like a brush because a brush gives more full coverage, but you can see how flawless my under eyes are looking. They do not look cakey. They look very smooth. Also, the concealer which I got, the Tarte one, the Shape Tape, is a double duty beauty one, and it is, I think the variant of this is a little bit different than the actual Tarte Shape Tape, which is a little bit full coverage, which reminds me of the L'Oreal one, the L'Oreal Infallible. वो थोड़ा thick है, but this is a little bit more creamy, and as you can see, it's not like drying your under eyes really like crazy. Next up, e.l.f. sent me their newest launch, which is the Halo Glow Powder Filter. This is how it looks, and I'm in the shade Moyenne Neutral, and this is how it looks. I like the packaging of this. Like, you get a mirror here, you get a sponge here, and you also get this, but I'm not gonna use the sponge. I like to use a brush which looks like this. So this is the brush from Mars Cosmetics. I just like to use it because it's very fluffy. Put the powder like this. It does not have like shimmery particles in it, which is a good thing. By the way, this is only the second time that I'm using this powder, so maybe abhi मेरे thoughts gather कर रही हूँ. Some of the products I've used, but not too much. Again, I like the shade because it is very similar to my skin tone, so it's not gonna do unnecessary flashbacks on my face. It is a good powder. and it does not crease your makeup, which is a good thing. For this, I would give it like a 7 on 10. This is definitely a 8 on 10. Let's move on to something exciting. We have Simply Nam. This is their Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow palette, and you can see it looks incredible. Look at that. 3 matte shades, 3 mattes, and all of others are shimmers. I'm gonna do a very basic eyeshadow look. I don't want to do too much today, so I'm just gonna show you the process. I've also made a dedicated review video about this eyeshadow, so if you're interested you can check the short for this one. But this is as pigmented as Huda Beauty. You guys need to know that. So I'm just gonna blend it like this. This eyeshadow palette is perfect for weddings, it's perfect for beginners, it's perfect for makeup artists as well, because you get a lot of variety. You do not need to buy a lot of the product, plus you get a good pigment in this one eyeshadow as well. Now I don't want too much of a pop on my eyes. I'm just thinking I'll just take this shimmer shade just a little. I just told that I don't want too much of a pop, and look at me. I am literally applying this most shimmery eyeshadow on my eyes. Oh, you know what? I had this one more thing. Wait, let me try that on my other eye. But yeah, this is the shade Silver Stone, and as you can see, it looks incredible. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, that shade is really good. This reminded me that I have the Simply Nam's Pixie Dust. I don't know what this is, but let me just apply it. I think you're supposed to apply it on your hands first and then apply it on your eyes. I'm not sure. Literally kuch pata nahi hai mujhe. I'm just gonna take it on my brush, apply it on my eyelid. Okay, so it's like a liquid eyeshadow but like more subtle. It's very natural. Wow, it is. If you don't like too much of a poppy eyeshadow like this, I'm pretty sure you can see this, but you cannot really see this. You just have to press it in. I would not recommend you to just take the applicator and apply it like this. Okay, this is the first time that I use this and I am impressed. It is, as you guys also saw, that I applied a lot of concealer on my lid because I have pigmentation, and मैंने eyeshadow भी लगाया, but this did not move it. My eyeshadow, like my inner corner, is looking very subtle. Like, you know, there are these actresses who have a little bit of shimmer on their eye, but it's not too much. It's very subtle. That is what this eyeshadow, like this Pixie Dust, is giving. I would give this like a 10 on 10, you guys. Wow, I did not expect that. I'm gonna come off as a crazy person, but we have a blue mascara. I don't know why I'm trying it out, but let's just make a video on it. I don't know why even they gave me like a blue mascara instead of a black one. This is like a mascara primer, they're saying. I'm scared, but let's apply. Okay, wait, it's not looking as blue as I thought. I thought it will look like this blue on my eyes. Let me apply a little bit more. It's definitely something. I would say that you could just go on for like a concert or something. This looks a little different, not a lot different, but yeah, I would give this like 5 on 10. I mean, come on, like I'm not gonna wear like a blue mascara. Baat mein I forgot that I have Mars Cosmetics Northern Light eyeshadow pen. The most exciting part, look at it. It has, let me just swatch it for you. That is insane. It is perfect for concerts. And let me just swatch. I should have done it previously. It's like a dual tone eyeshadow stick. Today I'm like experimenting with my entire makeup look, but that looks sick. I don't know if you guys can see. I love it. Like the best, I think one of the best things from Mars. Okay, I have a contour. This is from Tipsy Beauty with Ashia Dani. I love this contour. I'm just gonna say it out loud. First time I tried, I was like, what is happening? Look at this. It looks very stunning. You need literally 1 dot of it. मतलब मैंने स्टार्ट में एक्साइटमेंट में बहुत ही कुछ ज़्यादा अप्लाई कर दिया था. I am not gonna even risk it today. I just applied 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. That's it. You do not need more. Please don't use more. I'm gonna take this brush. You know what? Let's use this one. Just blend it out using the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds. How cool is this? I love this contour, especially if you're like Indian skin tones. You are gonna love, love this product. I am obsessed. I don't even contour, and this product has got me hooked to it. Next up for blushes, we have quite a lot of them. We have Simply Nam, we have Kiro, we have Anastasia Beverly Hills, and Milk Makeup as well. So what I'm gonna do, let's just apply this one. I'm very excited. I haven't tried this out. Pink in color, you can see the color of it. I don't know if this shade will be visible on any Indian tone shades because this is so cool. I think this will wash me out, but let's try it out. And I'm gonna take the beauty blender and just blend that using, yeah, I told you guys, I cannot even see it. Where is the color? Hello, where is the color? I cannot see it. Okay, I'm not gonna apply that and ruin my base. Unfortunately, okay, the formula is great, but the shade is not for Indian skin tones, unfortunately. And this shade is baby pink. You know what? Let's try the Milk Makeup. I know a lot of people want to see the review of it. I was excited as well. This is the actual shade Burst, yeah. And it looks so good. I feel like eating this, but we are not gonna do that. I'm just gonna tap on my cheeks like this. Take this brush. Look how beautiful. It looks really good. It hasn't moved my foundation underneath, which I was very like wow about, because I know that whenever I've tried tints, it does move my foundation, concealer, everything underneath. So this did not do that, which I am really happy about. And it also looks very natural. I did not take purposefully too much because I know I have blush blindness. I don't want to do that. Next, let's do one thing. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this orange shade from Simply Nam. Oh my god, you can see the pigment. It is too pigmented. I'm just gonna apply it over this Milk blush. Milk, I would give it again 8 on 10. This blush palette, oh my god, 10 on 10. Look at the pigment. It is really good. I know my eyeshadow, my makeup is not really matching to any of the vibe, but all the products, most of them are really good. Okay, then we have a highlighter from PAC. This is the PAC liquid highlighter. Let's see kaisa hai. Okay, this is a rose gold color. Looks very interesting. Again, a liquid one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch it a little bit over here. That is, oh my god, that is blinding. I just saw it in the viewfinder. You're not supposed to apply it like this. You need a highlighter brush and just go over. That looks good. That does look good, provided if you apply it really nicely. Do not go overboard. The more you apply with a light hand, the better this highlighter will look. Oh my god, you can see over here. Lastly, we have the Kylie lip kit over here. This is the shade Better Not Pout. What I loved the most about this was the lip liner. Honestly, I haven't even tried the liquid lipstick, but the lip liner is really good. It's creamy, it's gliding beautifully. The only thing I don't like about this lip liner is that you have to sharpen it. And just do this so it diffuses itself. Let's try the lip liner. I have received a lipstick from Simply Nam as well. Do I want to try this? Do I want to try this? You know what? Let's do the Kylie lip. The doe foot applicator is also a little different. A little. That does look nice, but this is not my usual preference of lipstick shade. I do like the lip liner way more than the liquid lipstick, but this does not look that bad. Of course, it's not going with today's look, but I don't mind. I don't mind wearing this with like a very clean makeup, like just keeping the lips the center of attention. This is the entire look with the new launches. Most of the products are like a 10 on 10, I would say, except the blush shade and this one. This is like a 5 on 10. Come on, honestly, this is like buy another shade. Liquid lipstick 6 7 on 10, lip liner 10 on 10. Wow, this was very intriguing, like shocking tha. 10 on 10, 10 on 10. Elf powder 10 on 10, pixie dust 100 on 10, elf primer 10 on 10, Tarte Shape Tape 10 on 10. So that was the look with all the high-end makeup. Let me know what do you think. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.